I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today we're going to talk about snips. Traditional pattern and combo snip shape cutters are very good for cutting copper, thinner zinc, light gauge steel, maybe 26 gauge and less. You can cut 24 gauge with them, but it's quite a bit of effort simply because they don't have that compound leverage. A basic pattern snip will cut simple shapes, just about any material. They will cut fairly well in one direction and really well in the other direction. And they're very good for very precise long cuts. And if you're making things like leader heads or other shapes, this is a snip you might want to use. Another type of traditional pattern snip is a duck bill. These are forged. They're also manufactured with broad blades, what they might call a combo blade, etc. And they will also cut, gently in one direction and maybe a little bit in the other. Aviation snips, on the other hand, can cut all sorts of materials, even titanium if you have special hardness blades. Cut steel, aluminum, zinc, up to 0.50 inches with no trouble at all. You can cut stainless steel with them. They're great in copper, softer metals, thicker zinc materials, and simply put, they require a lot less effort to operate. These are the standard in the industries today. Anybody that's doing sheet metal work, metal roofing, is going to appreciate an offset snip, particularly if you don't use them every single day. I hope you've enjoyed learning about snips today. I'm David with RapidMaterials. Visit our website at rapidmaterials.com.